Hello, this is Sierra from Knoema. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your data environment using the personalized homepage. When you log into Knoema.com, the page you see can be personalized to your data interests and needs. From your homepage, you can quickly access datasets relevant to your industry, the latest dashboards you've built, and pages you've recently viewed or bookmarked. You can access this homepage from anywhere on Knoema.com by clicking the Knoema logo in the top left corner. The top left panel gives you quick access to your resources, bookmarks, and notifications, and allows you to start a new dashboard or presentation in one click. You can hide or expand this panel at any time. Customize your homepage to best fit your data needs and provide a convenient environment for your everyday workflow. First, specify your industry to get relevant dataset recommendations. You can then bookmark the data you find interesting or useful to be able to quickly access at any time. Follow important datasets and dashboards to receive notifications each time they are updated. Data alerts allow you to receive email notifications when time series break a specific threshold. You can also create your own custom dashboards for quick access to critical visualizations and analysis. Now your Knoema environment is tailored to your specific data needs. Be sure to watch our bookmarks and notifications how-to videos for a more detailed walkthrough. Thank you for your time.